So I am currently in my full business mode, and you can already tell by the kind of content that I have created, how to hunt direct client, how to get orders on Fiverr without Fiverr, and so much more. But there is one more important part of business that I have never talked about it, your phone system. If you are running a business, managing a sales, or even working remotely, staying connected with your team members and customers can be a real challenge. Missing important calls literally slow down your business. But not anymore. Because today I am introducing to a new software, new tool, new app named Crisp Call. What is Crisp Call? Crisp Call is a small, flexible phone system that allows you to get virtual number from 100 plus countries. Like I am in Pakistan, and if I want to call US person or US phone number, I can get it instantly from my laptop without any physical SIM or without any physical phone. Crisp Call work on web, mobile phones, laptop, PC, tablets, Android mobile phones and iOS system, which means you can manage your calls from anywhere without any device. Now talk about OTP verifications. Crisp Call also supports OTP verifications. However, since US regulations around virtual numbers have recently changed, some OTP messages may not work on virtual US numbers. To solve this, Crisp Call provides non-virtual US numbers especially for OTP purposes. These are premium numbers and required additional costs. Now talk about free number offer. When you subscribe for Crisp Call, you will get one number for free of cost from USA, Canada, UK. This free number alone makes the subscription worth it. How to sign up Crisp Call step by step. So you will find this tool link in this video description. Just click on it and you will be redirected to this website. You just need to register yourself. First, I will put my name, Zoran Ansari, then a verified email address. Then if you are available in Pakistan, just click on Pakistan, then put your number and set your strong password. After putting your all information, just click on create Crispal account and check your email address. Here you will see your verification code. Just copy this code and paste it here and verify email. So Crispal requires some information. Please tell us how you plan to use Crisp Call for your individual use or for business use. So I want to use for individual. Then I will click on it and choose your use case for WhatsApp verification, Telegram verification, PayPal verification. Like I want to avail all these functionalities, so I will click on it and then next. Then you need to subscribe initial plan from this website. Like if you want essential, it could be $12 per month for small team, startups and freelancer with unlimited call, number porting and more. And then standard package, which is most popular plan, like $32 per month, including all features of essential plans, call transfer, unlimited user, call recording and priority support. So it's totally up to you which plan suitable for your business need. I already subscribed one plan from this website because the functions and each and everything very good. And important thing, when you subscribe essential or standard plan from this website, you will get one virtual number for free of cost. So let's move the account where already I have subscribed the one of the plan, and here we go. First of all, here is the dashboard section where you can find your live calls, missed call, etc, which is incoming or outgoing from your phone number. Then I have contact section where I have some contacts. Then power dialer where you can run a campaign, contact list, voicemail drops and call scripts. And then bulk messages. Yes, of course, you can send messages and run messages campaign from this virtual number. Then we have download apps. Yes, Crisp Call available for all operating system, like for iOS, like for Android, Chrome extension, Windows, Mac and Linux. So it depends which operating system you are using. By the way, I am using Crisp Call directly in my Chrome browser. I prefer you to install your application in your mobile phone. Then I have some settings and ads on. Okay, let's talk about number. If you want to get your first free number, you just need to click on plus icon. Then we have two options: internet based calling and messages and number based on physical SIM. So of course we will go with internet based calling and messages. I will select on it and here you will see 100 plus countries. Like if you want number from Canada, yes, it is available. If you want a number from United States, yes, available. And if you want number from United Kingdom, It is also available and more countries. By the way, I have some numbers from United Kingdom and I want this number. You just need to click on add to cart, then name like United Kingdom. Then you need to click on cart icon. If you have any promo code, you can enter it, and if you don't have, just click on confirm purchase. Just remember one thing, when you subscribe for first virtual free number, you just need to put your all billing information. Of course, there is no cost, but it is required for crisp call verification. After that, you will get your first number like this. I already registered this test number and now I am going to test out this number. So I search school in USA. Let's see if I get some school numbers in USA, and now I will go to the power dialer. Sorry, dialer. uh,
100 is unavailable.
I think this number is very busy, so let's try another. Like if you want to hunt your direct client, you can search your services like window cleaning service, and if you want to offer website designing services for window cleaning services owners or something, so you can search your businesses here in Google. There are a lot of businesses, so this business is open, and if I have, yes, I got this number, I will copy this number, and now let's see if this pick my call.
This call may be recorded for quality assurance purposes.
Thank you for calling Big City Window Cleaners. This is Joe with the answering service. How may I help you?
Can you hear me?
Hi, hello. Yes, I can hear you. I'd be more than glad to help you. The managers are either away, so I can go ahead and have the office get back to you. May I have your name?
My name is Zoran. Sorry for disturbance, but I am offering some website designing services. If your business need any website design services, so you can contact me. Are you interested in?
I'm sorry, what was your name? The spelling of your first and last name?
Zoran.
Perfect. And how do you spell that?
Zorain. Zoran.
Zorain?
Yes.
And your last name, please.
Ansari. Ansari.
Did you say ANSARI?
Yes.
And your phone number?
260-368-3153.
Did you say it's 260-368-3153? Okay, and do you have an established line of business with the firm? Are we currently working with you?
Yes, I am currently working on many marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, and I am offering website designing services. If your business need this website, so you can contact me.
Oh, okay, but we're currently not working with you, correct? On this?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
Okay, have a nice day. So this was the demo call for your satisfaction, and you can also call any businesses, and not just call, you can message any businesses, and not just messages, you can also get verification codes like for PayPal, WhatsApp, and TikTok account. That's why I have recorded this video. So again, if you want to call US person, US client, you want to hunt client from Canada, UK, or USA, you can call directly to your client by using crisp call. So this is very important in your mobile phone, in your devices, and 50% of my audience requesting for this video. That's why I have created this video. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.